Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and it's my birthday. It's my birthday today. It's my birthday today. So, in case the introduction, didn't convince you enough, it is my birthday today. So, I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but today is July 15th, and I am 38 years old, y'all. I am. It's hard to say. I am 2 years from turning 40. But I think, I don't know, I guess I understand when they say you're only as old as you feel, because not to say that I don't have my, my middle-age pains and my aches and my back issues and stuff like that, but like I totally feel like fine. I feel like happy. I feel blessed. I can still rock a purple lip and be happy about it, so I think it's only as you how you view it, how you view yourself and how you feel, and don't let anyone stop you from what you want to do just because you're a certain age, so yay. So with that being said, I just felt like just putting on some makeup today. I had put out an order on Ulta because I had received a gift card from Ulta. So I had ordered a couple things. I actually had sent out 2 separate orders because the first time I was looking around to see what goodies I can get. I was so desperate to use, itching to use the gift card, and I didn't really find anything. But the only thing that I did want was this palette from Too Faced, and I have been wanting this palette for a while now, quite a while. And honestly, I was kind of like waiting to see if it would go down in price, but it never did. So I took advantage, and I was like, well, I have the gift card, now I'm gonna go and get the palette. And then the second time I ordered some other like miscellaneous stuff. So yeah, so this is the palette that I've been wanting for quite a while now. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes, and here it is inside. Beautiful big mirror that says Too Faced, and then here are the colors, which I think are very pretty, right up my alley. And I like the color story. It's actually a little darker than I thought it was gonna be. The colors, I thought they were a little bit lighter, but they're actually kind of just a tad bit darker in person, but nothing serious or anything like that. But I like the color story because they have, this is kind of like like a champagne type of way, and then when you're up here in the middle, then you're moving over onto more of like a rosy type gold color, and then over here you're definitely dealing with the darker colors. And I like that they separated it in 3 ways, because you can either make your look just with these certain amount of colors or these certain amount of colors or whatever, or you can just play around with all, go back and forth in the entire palette and make whatever look you want. So yeah, so I just really liked how the palette looked, and I was really interested in getting it. So I'm just gonna play around with it, just slap on some eyeshadow and try to look cute today. And so yeah, I've already done my my furniture. No, I did not do my furniture, it's in the living room. Done my foundation. So my foundation is done, concealer, brows, all that stuff. Baking a little bit under here. I'm using the, which is this one, the Everyday Vacay, the Ciate London powder under my eyes. I don't know how good it is baking. I kind of don't think it's gonna be good baking, but whatever, trial and error. So I'm gonna go ahead and I should probably put on some brow gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this from Wander Beauty, and this is their clear brow gel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run this through a little bit. Y'all, I'm so happy that my brows are done. You don't understand. You don't understand. And it was so funny because the person that does my brows, like, she was doing them and she's like, whoa, you have a lot of hair. And I'm like, I know. And then when she was done, she was like, yeah, you plucked a lot on this eyebrow. So you don't really see it because it's filled in, but I have one brow that's like really thinner than the other because, my dumb self, you know, I am not a brow whiz. I'm just plucking away, and then before you realize, you've plucked too darn far, and then there's no going back. So, so yeah, hopefully, you know, that little piece of brow will grow back in time. So I'm hoping so. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shadow. For your info, if you're wondering, I am wearing primer on the eye, and this is the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer, which I am liking. And when this finishes, I plan to buy it again, and I guess the full size, because I don't think this is the full size. This came in with like a gift set or whatever. So yeah, alright, so I'm gonna go in as usual because I like doing this. I'm going to go with the lightest shade over here, and this is Swan. And I'm just going to take my fluffy brush, and this is a clean Morphe M433, and I'm just going to dabble in that. Like the fact that it has a mirror, and I just like to lightly put the lightest color all over the lid. And since this is pretty much you know, invisible, you're not going to see this palette, well, this color, you're not going to see it on my lid anyway, because it's just very light. And I just want to do this just to further set and just further cover up and just set a nice smooth canvas. And then I'm going to, okay, so I actually was thinking about sticking to this side, but my eyeball kind of moved over to the middle. So I'm kind of liking these pinky shades. I don't know, my eyeballs always roll over to like nice pinky type shades, pinky nudes, pinky mauve. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go dip into Petal, which is right here, taking the same brush, and just see how the color is. Good enough pigment on there, just to see how it comes out. So far there is color there, not a lot, a nice wash actually. And I'm just gonna put this in the crease, and I'm actually gonna take it down to the lid. And this is a really nice trick, you know, if you're beginning in makeup, you just, you know, want to try just one shade. You know, if you're scared of trying, you know, multiple shades, you can just do one shade and actually just build it up and put it in the crease and on the lid. So I'm just gonna do that right now. So I'm doing, oh. Okay, so I'm going to now move over to this color here, which is Warm Rose. Taking my same brush, because you know I like to be practical, and dip into the same little color here. So yeah, y'all, so this year, of course, the birthday scene is going to be a little different. For those of you who don't know, I don't know, you know, maybe you don't live in New York or whatever, but indoor dining is not allowed yet. We almost had the green light, almost, and then it was like to a stop. So yeah, we are allowed only like outdoor dining, but it's been too freaking hot to go and do, you know, outdoor dining. Like, I'm just not doing that. You know, so I told my husband, you know, when he gets home from working, I took the day off. Actually, I took the rest of the week off because I need a break from these people. I'm telling you. But I told him I want some IHOP. So they're delivering at least. So I told him, I said, listen, let's get IHOP. I want IHOP. So, you know, he has to you know, make me happy. So he said that it was fine, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. And we, you know, we're just gonna spend some time together. I'm very happy that you know, the amount of people who have reached out to me, and you know, through social media, through message, people who have called me to wish me happy birthday. So that was really nice. You know, it's been a screwy year, y'all. It has been an interesting year. So yeah, I'm just blending this with a clean brush. So, you know, But yeah, it's really hard to believe. I mean, we will get out of this one, guys. It's taken a bit, but we'll get out of it. So also waiting for like a few gifts and stuff like that. I normally don't do like, you know, what I got for my birthday, because a lot of times I honestly don't get a lot. You know what I mean? Like, what I get money, like what am I gonna do? For my birthday I got a $50 bill and then a $100 bill. Like, really? You know what I mean? So I'm just like, whatever. All right, so I'm gonna take the same color actually, and I'm going to actually pick up a little bit, and I'm going to actually dive in a little more and just get a little more pressure. And I'm going to put a little bit higher in the crease. So I'm kind of like doing it at an angle. So yeah, so I have been falling prey to Dooney and Burke. So it's awful. It's awful because they've been having like these super duper sales, and I'm just like, give me. So like I had gotten like a few wallets from them and like a few handbags. Now trust me, I do everything on a sale. So I will try my best to never get something full price. The only reason I've been shopping on there is because they've been having like super duper sales. So, you know, in any other circumstance I would not do it, because, you know, A, you don't want to be broke, you know, and B, you know, I don't want a divorce. It's a good reason. So I went back. I had put in actually like a little of this. Oh, my nail touched it. In this color right here, which is cocoa. So I kind of put like a dab of that with the warm rose, just to warm it up a little bit. And I guess I was debating on whether I should pop some glitter on the lid, but I think I'm going to, because I just don't think, I don't know, it would look better if I did. You know what I mean? So I'm going to just finish here. Take my fluffy brush and just blend out. So on my brow bone, I'm going to take, where is it? This little doohickey here. This is the High Brow from Benefit, and I really like using this a lot because it really brings out that brow bone. So I basically spent all morning using up all my birthday coupons. You know how you get all the coupons in the mail or online from like your favorite stores? And I got one like from Victoria's Secret, and one from Ashley Stewart, and one from Torrid, and one of like all the stores I shop at. And I'm like, you guys are killing me. You guys are killing me. So I'm just going to fixing that up a bit. I'm gonna see if I can maybe pop one of these little sparkly colors in here. I'm not sure though. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So I'm dipping into Glistening Snow. I don't know about this one. I probably won't be. It's like really, really little that comes out. But this is kind of more chunky, kind of. Woo! I was too medicated. Oh no, that just cray. Okay, so I just popped on the rose gold on the lid, and I'm liking it. It's pretty, I like it. And the Glistening Snow, which is kind of on the chunky side, so I put it in the inner corner, and I fixed it as best as I could, because it's really chunky, and for me anyway, it didn't really work in the inner eye. I mean, as long as you put really little and you're careful with it, because I just didn't want to fall in my eyeball, because then I'll be in trouble. So yeah, so what am I gonna do now? Oh yeah, so I guess, let me see, I have to sharpen the, oh no, this is my new one, yay! All right, so I'm going to just go ahead and put this right in the mid of the brow and just tap that in. And I really like it because I just like that effect that it gives. this is pretty much all you need. Yay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'll line and do all that good stuff. So I'm getting hot, y'all, so I don't turn on my air conditioner a lot of the times, because if I turn it on, then you're gonna hear like a loud air conditioner. You know, so I have like my little fan here, and you probably hear that maybe, and it's just, oh my god. But anyway, so yeah, so I used my girl powder blush palette. Here it is, and this is from the Balm Cosmetics. I'm liking that so far. I use, what did I use? So for tight lining, I usually use liquid liner, but I actually wanted to try out the cake pencil from KVD Vegan Beauty. I have this little mini one because, you know, I wanted to try it out and not get the full size, but it glides on pretty well, and it's a nice dark color, nice black color. So I like it so far. I mean, we'll see what happens. So far it hasn't smudged or melted off or anything like that, so I guess we'll see what happens with that. I'm going to use, just because it's been quite a while, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill loose highlighter. This is in what? This is extra. So just because I haven't used it for quite a bit, and I'm going to use the little brush that came with it. I think I have all 3 brushes, but this one is like, don't mind my phone, y'all, that's my phone. But this one is like the really concentrated one, as you can see. So that's like, whoa. Crazy, right? Like, I can never get tired of seeing that. So I was not going to use a red color. I wanted to use one of these, but I really want to see how this looked, because I saw it on Instagram. Actually, I saw it on Kat Von D, and that's actually why I bought it, because I saw her with it, and I was like, oh my god, that color looks so bomb. It was just like this gorgeous metallic red. So this is from Black, what is it? Gee whiz. Black Moon Cosmetics. Don't mind me, y'all. Black Moon Cosmetics. So this color is called Armageddon. So it's just a really, I just loved it. It's such a beautiful vampy metallic red. Hopefully it looks the same on me. So we're gonna see. Ta-da! So, whoa, I love this color. This is definitely a darker vampy burgundy red. It's not like a true red, but I love it. I think this is a gorgeous color. So again, this is the color Armageddon from Black Moon Cosmetics. If you're interested, hopefully they still sell it. I think they should. But so yeah, so yay, here's my happy birthday look I got going on. Went in red because since my birthday is July, the stone is the ruby. So yeah, you know. Gee whiz. So, you know, thank you guys for watching this video and just hanging out with me while I just threw on some makeup on my face. I am liking this palette. I do like the palette. It blends well. The colors are nice and pigmented. Just gotta be a little careful with, little careful with the sparkly colors. Some of them are just a little more chunkier than others, but you know, once you get the hang of them, you figure out how to work with them. So yeah, I like this palette. It's a neutral. I mean, this is gonna work good on pretty much almost everybody. I love the fact that it's also travel size, so you can take this on the go with you as well. And this is pretty much a no stress eye palette, you know what I mean? It's not, they're not confusing and scary colors. So even if you're almost, you know, a beginner or whatever, I think that you can definitely make this one of your favorites. So that is it, everybody. I am out of here. I'm gonna celebrate the rest of my birthday with my husband and all the other goodies that are coming in the mail. Some he may know and some he may not know of, so I won't tell him if you don't. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe out there, be blessed, have a great day and a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.